Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made my favorite chocolate custard. I have done a while ago a video when I show you guys how I made my lemon homemade custard, and I will put the link just in here in the corner, guys, so you can go and check it out. This cream or custard is so versatile, so you can use it to make any sort of desserts that you like. Don't forget, guys, to check out my monthly giveaway. If you live in the UK, we've got some amazing prize to be won this month, so I will post the video the link of the video at the end of this video and also in the description down below. Keep watching the tutorial, guys, and I will see you soon. Right, guys, so what we're going to do first, we're going to melt some chocolate in a pint of milk, which is approximately 568 millimeters to be precise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the milk in here. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm using some, we had this for Christmas. As you probably, all of you got some Christmas chocolate left over. Now they are dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and to be fair, we don't particularly like because they're quite rich flavour. So we're going to put this chocolate in there. As you can see, it's dark chocolate, and this is milk chocolate. And it was to be fair, it's a really nice box, and I'm going to keep this for next year because I like the sequins in there. There was a white chocolate as well. White chocolate was amazing. It was really delicious. So of course they're gone first, and then we were like, oh, do you know, I can't eat this anymore. So this is a good way to reuse this chocolate. Approximately, guys, there are 50 grams of this chocolate in here. 2 more to go. 1 more to go. Okay, and also I'm going to add 100 grams, okay, of your normal chocolate. So this is, again, is white chocolate. And we're gonna melt a lot of heat on my cooker. Just a small chunk. You don't have to be don't have to cut them really too thin. Like that. Just a bit more. Put the residue in there. Okay, so really low heat because you don't want to burn them. Keep stirring. I'm going to use a silicone whisk. It's the best to do this sort of like to melt chocolate with milk because it don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so we'll come back here when all the chocolate is melted. Okay, guys, apology for any noise in the background, but the dishwasher is running quite strong because I had quite a lot of pots to wash after I've been making some other cooking videos today. So in a separate bowl, we're going to put 4 eggs yolk. So you can keep the white for making meringues if you wish to, or any other cooking preparation. So I'm not sure you will see my arms, and I do apologize if my arms get on the way. Oops. That's the only way to. Three and 4. Oh, I missed it. Okay, let me just move this out of the way. And then we're going to add, so let me get my sugar. Oops, sorry. We're going to add 6 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just over there. Get rid of this, and then we're going to add 4 big tablespoons of flour. I use just plain white flour. That will do. Got a new package. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me leave this aside. What you do with a fork, gently mix the ingredients together. Okay. Then we're going to bring the milk back in. Look how nice it is. Chocolate milk, fantastic. What we do, guys, slowly we incorporate all the milk into this, into the eggs and the sugar, just really, really slowly, and then we mix it all together. This milk, guys, smells absolutely delicious. Just do it with a fork first, and then I'm going to use the whisk in just a second so I avoid any crumbs in there. So what you do is just quickly mix it. Just like that. And then what you could do, you could do it this way. So incorporate just everything in there. And what you do, guys, all of this, we go back in a cooker and cooking it for about 5 to 10 minutes in a very, very low heat, because we don't need to burn our cream. Okay, I come back here, guys, when the cream is ready. After 10 minutes, guys, our custard, chocolate custard is done. Look how creamy and dense it is. Unfortunately, this is a sort of preparation when you have to stay there for 10 minutes and constantly stir it, because if the cream attached to the bottom of the pan, game over. So unfortunately you have to go and stir it and stir it and stir it and stir it until it gets really, really dense. Now I recommend to cool this down before you use it. What can you do with this? Tons of recipes. So you can put in the middle of a chocolate cake as a filling. You can use some biscuits, like fingers biscuits, like as you make tiramisu, and do like layers. You can use either like digestive biscuits and make like little layers cake. You can eat it as it is with some strawberry on top on a really nice glass jar as a decoration as well. You can do anything that you want with this. It's a very versatile product that you can you can eat it as you want, to be fair. Now I'm going to put this into a ceramic bowl and I'm going to literally cool it down before I use it. Okay, very, very simple, guys, as promised. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because that will support the video and doing well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group and an Instagram account. Also, guys, don't forget to check out my giveaway. If you live in the UK, still got a giveaway for this month. So, guys, go and check it out. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.